I'm Gandhi Hendricks, former president of Vasco Municipality, the largest municipality in Goa. Speaking about this port city, for 10 years has been lingering and nothing is done. You have to only see the bus stand to believe. And the worst times are when it rains. There is no toilets, there is no proper sitting arrangement, there is no place for drivers who come from other states to rest or relax. They sit and sleep in the sun or under some open shade. The locals have to struggle, go to this place without any proper infrastructure. And this is for last 10 years that this port town has been suffering as far as the bus stand is concerned. Now I'll speak to you the second issue. We have a temporary fish market, which is also dragging for last 10 years. The proper fish market, the money has been sanctioned, but nothing is happening. God only knows where the money is lying and when will it happen. Let's go to the fruits, vegetable vendors. These two people have got small shanty units. In today's world, 21st century, this is not the state a vegetable market should be.
बास्को के जो एमएलए हैं उनसे मैंने लास्ट टाइम जो बात करी थी उन्होंने कहा था कि उनके आने से यहाँ की जो ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रॉब्लम्स थी वो दूर हुई हैं और उन्होंने बहुत सारा काम किया है और उन्होंने कहा था कि बीच को सुंदर बनाने के लिए उन्होंने उस पर भी काम किया है.
You see, what you have heard from the Vasco MLA regarding the conditions have improved at the bus stand is not proper. It's just an eyewash. Yesterday we were there. I'll give you a clip of, we videoed yesterday itself. I'll give you that for you to know the facts. Even we spoke the person in charge of the bus stand. And what he said? He said, yes, we require a change. And only change will make a proper bus stand. 10 years it has been dragging. I'll show you his own statements. We spoke with the drivers. We showed on the video the ground reality of potholes. So you have to see that and believe. Now I'll come to the third issue regarding the market. You see, our market in Vasco is the same market, same situation during the Portuguese regime. So for all the years, about 60 years, you have to go and believe that these are small shops, don't have proper infrastructure, no proper toilets for them, even for the public. This is the state of this Vasco city.
सावंत जो है वो सीएम साहब जो है वो कहते हैं कि डबल इंजन की सरकार है और बहुत काम कर रहे हैं, गोवा को आगे ले जा रहे हैं तरक्की की ओर, और आप कह रहे हैं कि टॉयलेट्स भी नहीं है, हाइजीन भी नहीं है.
We are speaking about Vasco, and is this what the chief minister is saying, that he has developed double engine.
Government is a double engine government.
Yeah, it's a double engine government. Is it going reverse? It's not going forwards. It is not at all in our Vasco. And even the destruction this double engine is doing to our environment, to our heritage, is well known to the public. We have a beautiful charter of demands showing how the government has failed on various fronts.
अगर आपके मुताबिक देखा जाए तो ये बहुत, आप जो बातें बता रहे हैं बहुत सीरियस इशू है, क्योंकि वास्को कई मायनों में बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत ज़्यादा अहम रोल प्ले करता है, क्योंकि यहाँ से ट्रांसपोर्ट की अगर हम बात करें, इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट की बात करें तो डॉक है, तो इस वजह से क्या है कि बहुत नज़र में रहता है. ऐसे में आपकी पार्टी का, आपका क्या विजन है गोवा के लिए, गोवा के लोगों के लिए? अगर आपको मैंडेट मिलता है तो आप क्या चेंज लेके आएंगे?
My party, TMC Goa, under Mamta ji, is going to work to implement and keep the promises. She is a tough lady who, when she promises, she sees that it is executed till the end. And there is no hanky-panky. Even in the selection of candidates, she is working on a very scientific method, which I appreciate very much. We are so many in Vasco, but we are waiting for her to choose the best. This is the TMC of today. And I can assure you, if TMC comes to power this time, Goa will see manifold development in every field. This is the position of our TMC for
गोवा
Goa.
में भी खेला होगा
हाँ खेला होगा, गोवा में भी खेला होगा, खेला होगा,
गोवा में
खेला होगा।
2 महीने के बाद केला होगा, केला होगा और सब पब्लिक खुश होगा. You have put me a question. How many seats does the TMC hope to win? I can only tell you one thing. The TMC will form the government. Will have the majority to form the government with maybe some splinter parties that we have. But government, I am assured, will be formed.